ought to wait till you get the engine hoist out and get everything out.
Probably ain't getting the motor out today. Probably just gonna be a transmission today. Mikey's got to leave at 3. I'm gonna leave about the same time, so at least get the the transmission out today. Get some of it done.
We'll get the tools. Let's get to work.
All right, let's get this hood off.
After we have a grumpy old man contest.
Grumpy old man.
Ain't grumpy.
Let me give the phone to Dad.
What do you want me to do?
Don't peep your fingers in the way. Put it in the grass.
So let's show them what we're doing, Gabe. We're trading this thing out.
Yeah, we're trading this motor out for...
With what?
Well, follow me this direction.
This monster out of the way. Holy cow. We're going to show everybody how dirty Dad's garage is.
Don't worry about it right now. We got some cleaning to do.
Gracious.
We're trading that motor out for this monster. Just putting a little small block back in it.
Gabe said he's ready to go fast.
I'm ready to go fast. I'm ready to spray a lot of nitrous.
All right, well, today we're getting the transmission out so I can have my transmission back. So let's get to work.
Let's do it. Let's do it. How many that 12 millimeter?
Oh, dang. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do with this. Oh, thanks.
Hand me that 14 now.
You're so needy.
Yeah, you're right. That's right.
Are you taking the exhaust all the way out or just letting it hang?
Just let it hang. It's a pain to get all the way out. I think he's dying of thirst. You can tell I was in a rush to get this thing together when I did it.
You're always in a rush to get this thing
My
together.
exhaust isn't level.
Exhaust isn't level. Your O2 sensor was at 2 threads. Dad doesn't have a mic.
Yeah. Let me get some more. Hey, I actually need them though.
You don't need him. You call yourself.
Stop it!
You call yourself.
Don't eat the water bowl! Oh, wait! Mom's gonna kill you!
Watch your head.
I get out and do it. I gotta get this water bowl from him, apparently.
And you were missing an exhaust bolt.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
I know that much.
Oh, okay.
You dumped all your water out.
What an idiot.
What an idiot. I'd be glad when we get famous, we can get a lift.
Good luck with that.
We need a lift. This dude just said get one.
Did
Are
he
you paying
just say
for it?
get one? Are you paying for it?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Like, if you're paying for it, all right.
Bro, how do you even get to this one?
Yeah, it's a pain. Oh, you know what I forgot?
These nuts.
What? Dying? I forgot a whammer.
I can't get that nut.
Let me show you how a profesh does it. Hey, why you up? Grab a whammer.
Yeah, give me 15 minutes.
I bet. Thank you, sir. Hey, trying to get this thing off.
You're probably going. I'm gonna make you get this bolt. That's gonna be really loud.
Oh yeah, it's real loud right now.
What? Oh yeah. Yeah.
All right, brother, watch your noggin.
We're switching. Oh, you got that.
All right, didn't get it.
Nope. It's all yours. What? Yeah. Brother, are we having fun yet?
It ain't been too bad.
Look at this dude. How much more we got to do?
I got one more bolt to come out, and the transmission will be ready to pull on up out of here.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I got that one loose down there. I think we just need to get it pulled out.
You ready?
He's ready?
You ready?
All right. I feel like I'm on the wrong side.
I feel like you're on the wrong side.
Because I've been over there the whole time, and now I'm over here.
I don't like this side, honestly.
I don't like this side.
I just untied my shoe somehow.
All right, so what do we need to do? We need to come back with
Got
it.
to wiggle her back.
You got the transmission?
I got her.
I'll get the jack.
All right, she's disconnected.
Can we come back a little further then?
All right, bring her on down. Slow and easy.
Make sure you got the converter too.
Yeah, I got it.
Come back a little bit more.
Yep. All right. On down.
Oh, what we called on? Looks like she started tilting
The
forward.
firewall.
Oh, okay.
All right, you can come on back. All right. All right, hold up.
A little fast, a little fast.
Transmission line in the way. There we go. And she's out of here.
All right. It's running a leak.
But now begins the fun part, Mike.
Yeah, getting it out from under the car is the hardest part.
Well, we got to get it off the jack.
Well, that too. All right, let's roll it. Go get some cardboard.
You go get some cardboard.
Stuck on a rock.
Stuck on a rock. Whoa, 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 whoa! Hold up! All right, we cool. We cool.
Hold up.
Dang.
Dang. All right, you want to go ahead and pull that converter out because we're going to have to tilt the transmission forward to get it out.
I mean, I can. It's gonna make it messy.
That's fine. All right. See, ain't too bad of a mess. We've made worse.
Everybody watching me struggle with a converter right now.
All right, Gabe. I think we're done working on this thing for today.
Yeah, we done. Got the transmission out. I'll be back next weekend to get the motor out. Finish getting everything ready. And then start pulling the motor out of that one. Go ahead and get it in here. And start doing some testing.
Sounds good to me.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. We'll see y'all in the next one.